Racing just is started with Sky Plus. Break quickly to start. Rushing up now on the outside is Taipan. One in the real portion is Moderna. Barako Eagles also showing speed. Running by the rail is Aliana. And going along for the person we have Taipan 1. Barako Eagles in the middle. Running by the rail now is Sky Plus. Then moving upon the outside, Moderna also showing speed. Now is a Sentinel Node. Next in line now is Aliana. Moving up down on the inside is Avenue Shopper. Then followed now by Malbatan Island, who's racing second less. And a long way back to Super Hawk, who's racing in last. Inside the tres octavo, we have Taipan 1 by Overling Anyhop. And in second is Barako Eagles. Moving up down on the inside now is a Moderna. And on the outside is Sentinel Node. Next in line, Avenue Shopper. Rushing up now on the outside is Sky Plus. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Taipan 1 by Overling. Then moving up now on the outside is Barako Eagles. And now says it's my turn to take the lead. We have Barako Eagles by Orling Anyhop. Taipan 1 in second. Moving up down on the inside is a Super Hawk. Last 50 meters, it's all Barako Eagles. Second, Taipan 1 Super Hawk. Then comes Sky Plus, Moderna, Avenue Shopper, Malbatan Island, Aliana, and Sentinel Node.
Race number 2 is over, Bahing Kararista, and we have the favorite entry number 4, Barako Eagles. Our unofficial winner and crossing the wire first with jockey JL Lazaro. Unofficial order of arrival 4, 9, 8, 2, and 5 here in race number 2. Let's watch the instant replay. Unofficial winner numero 4, Barako Eagles.